Whoops. So the what's it called?
Baking soda.
Speaker isn't on this. Microphone isn't on here. But we are cooking baking soda, Lily and I. And it's like boiling. It's not that hot. Can you see that? So I have a bunch of children. Well, just a minute. Is that good?
That's
So Lily and I are making pretzels, and one of the things that you need to do if you don't use lye, which is the recipe we started, was using baking soda. But they have you cook your baking soda because it chemically changes its makeup somehow. So we're doing that and having a lot of fun watching it look like it's boiling. And several of my children that are old enough that if they stick their finger in something and get burnt, it's their problem, not mine. I'm glad when they get to that age. So they have been sticking their finger in it to feel it because it is just really fun. But nobody has said they were burnt, so it's just a really cool effect. But we're gonna get it slightly browned. Ooh, nice volcano. We're gonna get it slightly browned, and then we're gonna dump it in our boiling sugar water. I think sugar is weird to add to it, but Lily said, or the recipe said that it was better texture. Is that right? Texture? If you put sugar in your water. So it's gonna have I can't remember what it's called. Did they tell the name in that recipe? What the baking soda is called whenever you switch it? Or whenever you cook it? Well, they have you do that if you're making ramen noodles too. And I can't think of what it changes it to. But we're just gonna lightly brown it in the pan because I'm not turning on the oven
for an hour.
And waiting an hour for these to cook. So stovetop's gonna be a lot faster. I need to turn this down. But we'll be back and show you the pretzels in a bit.
So I'll show you the lens cap.
So I'm a little smarter than that. I know the lighting's terrible, but this is a late night snack, guys. These are our beautiful, what are they called? Pretzels. They're really nice and fluffy, and I'm excited.
I think I made them one time.
You made them one time?
I think so.
I think you did.
I think I did.
Yeah. They're pretty cute, though. What? I'm not sure what I can do with this light so that it still works. Oh, I'll just set it on the camera. I could put it on your head. That's what we should do. Hey, look. I wanted to put the light down so that I could sprinkle the salt before it dries. I'm excited about these. Perfect amount of salt. Look how good that looks on the salt. Yum. Oh, somebody's knocking. These are so good. We tried to wait until Patrick got home. Patrick and Joelle are gone. But we didn't have time. It's gonna be late. These are so good. We will do a video on these tomorrow. A real video. A full size one. Show you what we did. So good. This is garlic butter, by the way. Can you hand me one? The salt. Sorry. The salt on here is C90 because it's the only big crunchy salt that I had. I wish Patrick was here because he loves pretzels. I've never made pretzels before. Lily thinks she's done it before once. These are so good. I'm going to eat the other half of mine, which is over there. But we'll make a video to show you how to make these. Probably the next video we make. Because I need to post a video. I haven't posted in 2 weeks. So I'll post this one tomorrow while we're making good pretzels again. And we'll share the recipe. Thank you. Bye.